The Lucy B Enzyme Face Mask is my new go-to for whenever I want my face feeling plump and vibrant. The face mask has so many good ingredients for your skin, such as enzymes that are extracted from pineapples to exfoliate the skin. This helps to get rid of dead skin cells and unclogs all of your pores, leaving your face and skin so smooth. The face mask also has moringa seed extract, which nourishes the skin and improves the natural protective barrier of your skin. As you can see, the face mask is a translucent glossy gel, which always works its magic to unclog those pores and leave your face feeling so hydrated, bright and fresh. I tend to leave my face mask on for around 10 minutes and then I take my Lucy B cleansing cloth, put a bit of warm water on it to wipe away the excess face mask. And once I've finished this, my face always feels the most smooth and hydrated version of itself. Run, don't walk to Lucy B.